Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. First of all, I would like to welcome our examiner, which is Dr. Faridah and Dr. Malik. Okay, my name is Mohammad Shamil Sharafi bin Badrul Hisham, and my supervisor is Dr. Athaur Rahman Najeeb. Okay, and today I will present my FYP2 project, which is Development of Number Plate Recognition System using MATLAB. The objective of my project is to investigate or do research on current method that was applied in ANPR system. The second one is to implement such system by using MATLAB, which is develop the coding by using MATLAB. Okay, the third one is to design ANPR system which can work with Malaysian plate. Next, we go to the problem statement. As we know, different countries have different format of car plate number. For example, in Japan, they use Japanese character, while in Malaysia, we use Roman alphabet. There are also other countries that use different color. For example, in Malaysia, we use white color for the letter or number and the black color for the background. But there are some countries that use other colors for background, such as yellow, red, and there are many others. So it requires different algorithm which is more suitable for the region. So we can say that different countries need to have their own algorithm in order to detect the number plate. Next, we go to the research methodology. Okay, the first one is we acquire the image from camera. This can be, we can take the picture of the car by using camera or by using smartphone. Then after that, after we have the image, we can load the image in the MATLAB, and we can use the suitable method to locate the plate in the image. After we have locate the plate, the location of the number plate in the image, then we go through the image pre-processing. Image pre-processing is before the character segmentation, which we convert the color image into grayscale first, and then we convert it to binary so that it is easier to segment the character. And after that, after the character was segmented successfully, we go to the character recognition, which the successful character segmented earlier, we compare with the template that we have on the database. So after that, we got our output. Then this is the method that I use for the project. The first one is pre-width algorithm. This method was used to locate the number plate, which is it will detect the age of the plate. In the picture, the first step we must do is to find where the plate is located, so we can proceed to the next step. Pre-width method is one of the age detection method. The next is bounding box technique. Bounding box technique was used to segment the character. It measures the connected component between the character. After that, it will check the result by using ratio that we have determined in the coding, and it will remove all unwanted components. Template matching is one of the optical character recognition method. So we will use template matching to compare the character that we have segmented earlier to get the output. The system will compare the segmented character with the template in the database, and then it will give the output based on what it recognizes. It will recognize mainly based on the highest correlation coefficient. Okay. This is the flowchart, the general flowchart of the project. This is the first one is the image. This is the image that we capture from the camera, and then this is the number plate after we have done plate localization or age detection. Then this is segmentation. And the last one is after we have done character recognition, and this is the output that we got. Okay, this is some of the result that I have got from the experiment. The first one is VDT, and the system recognize it as V0T. So in this case, the system cannot differentiate D and O, same as the same as the picture below, which is CED, and then the system detect it as CE0. This is one of the problem of this system is it cannot differentiate D and 0. Okay, the last one is 100% correct, which is the output is same as the original image. Okay, next we go to the MATLAB code. Okay, we have three main scripts. The first one is for plate detection, and this is for letter detection, and the last one is for template creation. Okay, show the example how to run the code. Okay, the first one is we must choose which image we want as the input. Okay, in this example, I choose image number 7, and then I press run. Okay, then we got the result. This is the result of the number plate after the localization, which is this is already extracted from the original image. Okay, and then this is the output after compare it with the template matching. So in this case, we can see that the result is same. So this is zero error, which is 100% accurate. And then we try another image, which is image number 2. Okay, and then we press run. Okay, in this image, the number is VDT, but at the output we can see that it is not VDT, but it is V0T. In this case, the system cannot differentiate between D and 0. So if there is D, the system will acknowledge it as 0. So in this case, the result is not 100% accurate for this plate. As for the conclusion, we can say that the objective for this project is achieved, although there are maybe we can do some improvement for the project. Okay, for the future work, we can improve the algorithm so it can detect various type number plate. The limitation for this algorithm is it only can detect the one line number plate. So if the number plate has 2 lines, or there are special characters such as Proton or something Putrajaya, then this system cannot function. Okay. After that, we go to the last part, which is Islamic review. In Surah Az-Zumar, verse 9, Allah has said, "Are those who have knowledge and those who have no knowledge alike? Only the men of understanding are mindful." And searching for knowledge is compulsory for every Muslim male and Muslim female. And the hadith narrated by Ibn Majah. So, as a Muslim, it is compulsory for us to learn new knowledge. If we have the knowledge, we can compete with other people, and then we can contribute to our nation, we can contribute to the society, we can contribute to our religion, and we can spread the religion to the non-Muslim. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you.